Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a green screen Roblox edit on CapCut. So you do need to go to the Roblox app first, and you're just going to select this game, more commands, Roblox 3D edit recreation by Moonfangs. Press play, and I'm just going to join the server. And once you're done, you're going to go to the green screen, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to go there. I know my character isn't probably as good as people watching this, but I don't really play Roblox, so just go to this green screen, and then you're going to kind of zoom in just a little bit. Screen record this video here, and just select the dances you can choose from here, like the commands. Maybe like this pose thing or this pose one, and just record it. And once you're done recording, I'm just going to leave. Go to CapCut and import your video. So press import here and select your video. So I already have mine imported, and I'm just going to select crop, and I'm going to crop these out. I'm just going to crop the one, like the background that isn't necessary to the video, like so. Go to cutout and select chroma key and select the green part of your video. I'm just going to delete the headphones out because there's a lot of green in them, so I'm just going to delete that. Even though it shows like in the front. Okay, maybe I shouldn't delete that, but my character isn't that great, by the way, just saying. Okay, I'm just going to delete it out. It's fine. But yours will probably look better than mine, so let's do that. And I'm going to select speed and adjust the speed and make it like slower. And I'm just going to choose optical flow for the smooth slow motion, and it's going to take a long time to process. And in the meantime, I'm going to add in this as a background, so put this on top of the background video. You can choose any background you want, of course, but I chose this for mine. I'm just going to have it spin twice and delete the rest, but you can like adjust it yourself later on. There you go. It's going to process again, but faster because the clip is shorter. Now, okay, I'm just going to adjust the background a little bit. Now you can just add in like a shadow, like a reflection, by copying and pasting this, and you're going to rotate it 180 degrees and select mirror. You have to do that so there's like the reflection is exact, and then just use like these settings or not, but you need to just turn down the opacity to create a reflection. Just going to put it down just a little bit more. Oops, I meant the other video, not this one. I'm just going to lock in. Okay, and I'm just going to put it down. Can I not do that? There you go. That's it. From here you can add in effects if you want to, but like this one, you can add in this as an effect, adjust the strength a little bit because that's just a little bit too much, and the size is a lot, and also the range. just add in any effects you want to this video. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!